Now see example, calculate the energy associated with number one photon or one quanta of energy. Second, 1 Einstein of radiation of a wavelength 8000 angstrom if the values of H, N and C are given. Now see, first of all, one photon, energy of one photon, energy of one photon or one quanta is equals to h nu. That's why E equals to h nu. Again you know this nu is nothing but a frequency. That's why it will be C upon lambda, where lambda is the wavelength of the light, which is given as a 8000 angstrom. Now all the values are given. That's why energy E is equals to H is given 6.625 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule second, multiplied by C, that is velocity of light in MKS unit, 3 into 10 raised to power 8 so many meter per second. Now after this, lambda is given in angstrom. That's why 8000 angstrom, it will be converted into MKS, that is in meter. That's why we must know 1 angstrom is equals to 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter, that is equals to 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. That's why 8000 into 10 raised to power minus 10 so many meter. Now after putting all these values, you will get how it can be solved. 6.625 multiplied by 3 divided by 8000 into powers of 10 above, means in the numerator minus 34 plus this one 10 raised to power 8, here 10 raised to power 8 plus 8, then this minus comes to numerator, it will be plus 10. Now after this, minus 34 plus 8 plus 10, then it will be minus 16, 10 raised to power minus 16. Now after calculating this, 6.625 multiplied by 3 upon 8000, it comes out to be 0.0048 so many 0.00248 into 10 raised to power minus 16. All the terms are in MKS. That's why the unit of energy in MKS is joule. That's why it will be joule. Now E is equals to, if you have to shift this point, then it becomes 2.48 into 10 raised to power minus 16. This will be minus 3 so many joules. That's why the answer becomes 2.48, that is E equals to 2.48 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joule. If you have to convert it into kilojoule, you know 1 kilojoule is equals to 1000 joule. That's why so many joule is converted into into kilojoule by multiplying it by 10 raised to power minus 3 so many kilojoule. That's why E is equals to 2.48 into 10 raised to power minus 22 so many kilojoule. You will get the values in kilojoule as well as in a joule. Now next, see energy of Einstein or 1 Einstein is equals to Einstein, that is 1 Einstein energy is equals to NH nu, where N is Avogadro's number. That's why N into H, again nu equals to C by lambda, means multiply this H C upon lambda by only the Avogadro's number. That's why 6.0225 into 10 raised to power 23 multiplied by this value. You calculate first it, it will be 2.48 into 10 raised to power minus 19. That's why after solving this value is comes out to be 1.49 into 10 raised to power 5. 1.49 into 10 raised to power 5. So many joules. So many joules. Now if you have to transfer it into kilojoule, you know minus 3 means 10 raised to power 5 minus 3. So many kilojoule. That's why 1.49 into 10 raised to power 2. So many kilojoule. This is the value of energy in Einstein.